Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set restrictions for who can create and delete boards in Trello. Now, by default, this is set to anyone who have the access. If you give them or you invite them to Trello, they can easily do this. But if you want to have a full control over this feature, you want to ensure that you set this to maybe admins only. So how do we do that? You want to click your Trello logo in the uppermost left hand side and go to settings here, the one on the lower left hand side. Now from here you want to scroll down a bit and you'll find the board creation and board deletion section, and you can edit each of these or change each of these to admins only. So you'll have the options here to set to admins only. As you can see, I did for the creation there, and I will do this as well for the admins. As you can see here, you can switch these to admins only to ensure that they're all set. And that's it. That's how you basically set who can create and delete boards in Trello. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.